This is a nightclub two-step move we call Around the World. We're going to show it to you first and then we'll break it down. We start with two hands. I'm just going to show it to them first, Dick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 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 Okay, we're going to break it down. We'll start over here the same way.
Okay, leaders, this takes a two-hand hold. So however you get here is fine with us. We did left hand turn from here and slid out to two hands. From here, I'm going to roll into a hammer lock. We're going to use the same count as always. I'm going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The hands are relaxed. I step a little forward on 4 and walk around in a circle. So does my partner. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Count 4, I raise my hand. I have not gone under yet. Now, at this point, I'm going to walk out, do a pivot turn. I'm going to go 1 and 2. I have a patty cake here, left a hand high. 3 and 4. I walked around to pick up, and then I did my left turn from there.
Let's try it from this way.
From this way. Same thing. I'm going to roll the hammer lock first on the 1 and 2.
And it's from a pivot turn for the follower. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Notice I walked forward a little on 4. I'm beginning my walk around. I use the same cadence. 1 and 2, hold 3. 1 and
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Hand goes up on count 4. I walk out. 1 and 2. Give her a patty cake. I walk around here 3 and 4 to pick up.
Okay, we're going to do it from this direction. So here's my pivot turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Notice he has my hand right here. I go a little forward on my left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I walk around a little bit. 1 and 2. Give me a lead to do a pivot turn. 3 and 4. Okay, let's go from this direction. 1 and 2, pivot turn. 3 and foot hammer. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So that's what we call Around the World in Nightclub two-step. See you later. Bye-bye.